How to refund items on Roblox. Yes, that is right. I'll be teaching you how to refund items in Roblox in 2022. You can actually also how to refund clothes. Yes, clothes, game passes, how to refund game passes, how to refund clothes, whatever you want to call the title of this video, whatever you search for. This is how to refund anything on Roblox. So make sure you watch this whole video until the end without skipping, because of course if you do skip parts you might miss a key step in this video. So I just want you guys to just sit back, relax. This will only take about 5 minutes to do, or maybe a bit longer, I'm not too sure. And trust me, all these other videos, they're so fake. Literally, I will just show you this video. It's so simple. I don't know why other YouTubers like just have some random stuff, like some random ways, but this is the best way to actually refund. Now, just before that as well, I am hosting a huge Robux giveaway right now to my subscribers. Yes, my subscribers. So, if you are looking right now for 100,000 Robux, yes, that is right, 100,000 Robux. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, which is that big red subscribe button. Hit that big blue like button right there. Hit that like button. And last but not least, comment down below your Roblox username. Now, once you guys comment down below your Roblox username, I will try add you on Roblox. Well, yes, I will add you on Roblox. And now I'll pretty much message you on Roblox, telling you what group to join. And we can take it from there. You will get your Robux pretty much. But obviously, I will check to see if you have subscribed and left a like on this video. But yeah, that is quite simple, so I would recommend you guys to not skip that. I know you're here to refund an item, but that is something not to skip, because that is insane right there. You could literally become rich on Robux from that, so I would highly recommend you guys to do that. So yeah, now I am on my account. Now you can do this on your phone as well, such as your Android or your iPhone or iPad, tablet, whatever. So yeah, but obviously I am on my PC right now. So start off by going to the help page. So if you're on mobile or just in PC, try press right here the settings icon right here. There should be like on the top right somewhere. If you're on mobile, just try look for it and go right here to help right here. And yeah, you'll be brought to this page right here. It is a bunch of random stuff right here. Now, from here, it doesn't matter too much. Just click on the random one right here. And then just click on a random article. And none of this really matters. All of these articles have this link right here. Look, need more help. Contact support here. It's always above right here. But was this article helpful? Yes or no? Above it, it should say need more help. Contact support here. So press this right here. And boom, you will be brought to this page right here where you can actually contact Roblox with your actual, well, pretty much telling them what to do. So username, that was automatically filled. Make sure it's your actual username. Make sure it's not your display name. That is the first mistake that people do. First name doesn't really matter too much. You can put it if you want. Email address, put your email address that is connected onto your Roblox account. If you don't have one, just put a random one in. Doesn't matter too much, as long as it ends in like @gmail.com or whatever. But yeah, doesn't really matter too much by email, because they'll just pretty much just come to you straight away, pretty much with like the refund. So normally they will reply saying like, oh yeah, we have successfully done your refund. So it doesn't really matter too much about your email. Issue details. So obviously device, whatever device you are on right now, and yeah, just put that. But obviously if you play both, then it doesn't matter too much. Like say if you play a phone, if you play your iPhone and your PC, just put any really. Just put whatever device you're on right now. Now right here, so go right here and let me just see where it is now. Yeah, Robux right here. Then go to Robux and go to website item. Now, if it's a game pass, put in experience item. But if it's something like your clothes or just something else really, go to website item. So if it's inexperience, that is something inside of a game, like a game pass. And then yeah, website item is something like clothes right here. or just like a limited maybe or whatever. Like pretty even I guess no, I mean like accessories or whatever. So for this one, let's just do accessories. So website item. So put this right here. So right here. So pretty much someone hacked. Well, I mean you could put that, but yeah, okay. Anyway, so type in this right here. I was actually thinking of something else like how to recover your Roblox account. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, so put this right here. So I would like to refund one of my items, please. I regret buying it, and it makes me so sad because I cannot refund the item at all. The item is called, and now from here, make sure you spell your actual your whatever you want to refund. So let's just say, for example, I want to refund. Actually, let's go to my avatar now. Now I own the penguin right here. So where did I even? Okay, here. Click on this right here. Does it let me go? Okay, so penguin right now. Let's see, avatar shop. So this right here. So make sure you spell it right. So of course right here, the type is a bundle. So I'm gonna put it's so the item is a bundle, and it is the penguin one. So say if it's like your clothes. So let's just go to avatar shop right here, and yeah. So let's just go with it. Let's just imagine that I own this. So I will say the clothing item. Well, pretty much the item is a clothing, and it is the black messy dreads, for example, if it's a clothes. And the game pass is just the game pass that is blah blah blah. So put this right here. Please, can you look into this because I cannot afford any more Robux, and it makes me so sad that I cannot refund the item. The item, but this right here. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, as long as it's along the lines of I want to refund this item, I regret buying it. It's a bundle. It's a penguin one, which is obviously for my example. So obviously, you just put this right here. So you'll change the bundle thing. So say if it's a bundle, obviously that's the actual the character itself. So clothing, blah blah blah, and yeah, you press submit, and within like a few hours, you should get a refund pretty much.